Russia hacking the US government agencies may have you thinking, why bother with cybersecurity protection if they can, you know, the US government can be hacked? What could I possibly do? Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, where we provide cybersecurity and IT support for businesses and organizations. And I'm here today to tell you why business attacks are different than government-sponsored attacks, and also to give you three reasons why you should consider cybersecurity protection for your business or practice. First off, it's important to note that the attack on the US government was basically a spy agency, and the full force of the Russian government behind it. And that's typically not what happens when a business is attacked. When a business is attacked, it's usually an unskilled hacker who's bought a hacking kit off the internet, and is trying to get as much information out of small businesses as possible. So three things to consider. Number one, and the most important thing to give important consideration to, is how would you feel if your client's information was out on the dark web? Or how would you feel if you were pointed to as the source of a leak of confidential information? Typically, you would want to do as much as possible to protect your reputation. So if you are harboring sensitive information for your clients, you have an obligation to protect it to a reasonable level, obviously. There is a cost to everything. The second thing is, it's all about money. Those small hackers that are attacking small businesses are basically going to as many businesses as possible and holding their data ransom for money. So they encrypt your data and disrupt your business. So how long can you afford to be without your data and run your business? You need to have a cybersecurity program in place that makes sure that you can get through that without having to pay a ransom. And then the third thing may not apply to all of you, but many of us are subject to regulation or legal obligations. If you work in the financial services industry or in the healthcare industry, you're likely under regulations that require you to have cybersecurity protection. And if you are in New York State or Massachusetts or most other states, and you deal with consumers, you have an obligation to protect their information as well. So again, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions. If you like what you heard or you want some more information, please look at the contact information at the end of this video. Look at my website. I have a lot of information and downloads and quick tips and things like that. And here's hoping that you have a safe and healthy new year. Thanks.